Hi, it's Dave with DRH Acrylic Creations with my edition of Nate's Art Lab August challenge. That challenge was to create a piece with lots of cells and lacing. So this is my wheelhouse, but I decided to kick it up a notch and try something new, and I'll talk about that when we get down to the canvas. I want to thank very much Gina DeLuca for joining us today as our guest artist. So hopefully you got a chance to see her piece. If not, go back and see it, and make sure you stick around after this to see what the rest of us came up with. Okay, let's get to it. Okay, what I'm doing with this is I'm going to create an ombre on as a backup, or as my background, and then I'm going to do a swipe across it to create some cells and some lacing. So I'm going to speed this up. I'm going to do this as quick as I can, and I'll see you at the end. Okay, second part. This is my ombre's been set up, and now I'm going to do, I think what I'm going to end up doing is a chain bloom, hoping to get a good amount of selling and lacing. It's the first time I've ever tried it with a transparent base or pillow. So this is made up basically the same as one of my pouring mediums, just a little bit different consistency. And what this is Bear 8300 with a little bit of polyurethane, actually not just a little bit, about equal amounts, and just a squirt of my Jo Sonja varnish, just to thin it out just a little bit because it was goopy before. So this is a little bit thicker than my normal pouring medium, so it's going to be an experiment. So I'm going to flood the canvas, and then I'm going to do my my chain bloom, and with the hopes that this is going to dry as clear as I know it can be. So now, with that said, I most likely won't be able to show you dried results, but once this dries, I will post it on my community page, so please check it out in, I'd say, about 2 days. So let's get to it. I'm going to put it on music, and we'll get started. Okay, let's talk about colors. I meant to do that earlier. This is Techno, this little Piggy. Boogie, this little Piggy. Both of them are fluorescent. That's Titanium White by Amsterdam. Payne's Gray by Amsterdam. Black by Amsterdam. That's a Carbon Black by Amsterdam. This is Quinacridone Burnt Orange by Golden. This is a mystery color because it's under my desk and I'm not entirely sure exactly what color it was. I guess we'll find out. And this is what looks to be, I don't know, this is another mystery yellow. So we'll get started. My intention on this is to kind of have a sunflower appearance after I'm done. My cell activator is going to be Titanium White and Lamp Black. Both Amsterdam, both mixed with 3 parts of Australian Floetrol. Let's go. Okay, let's take a look at this closer. My goal were cells and lacing. So this translucent pillow is an experiment. We'll see how that works. As you can see, at least so far, our cells haven't sunk any more than they have at the beginning. So I'm optimistic about this. You can see that it is going to dry. It's going to dry pretty much transparent. It might mute the background slightly, but we'll see when this dries. And I will hopefully be able to show the dry results. If not tomorrow, I will put it up on my community page. Okay, I want to remind you all to stick around for the next person in the collaboration. And this is a monthly event that Nate Bright's Patreon group is challenged to do. And I really have to tell you, I'm stretched every time. This is more my wheelhouse, but I decided to make it a little bit more challenging by trying a new technique underneath it. So let me get you down for the slow and easy, and we'll wrap this up. If you'd like to help, leave a like, subscribe, and ring the bell for notifications of future videos. It really does help, and it's absolutely free. Thanks again for being here today, and I hope you really did get something out of this. So, until next time, bye for now.